worry that the Supercollider, the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland, would create mini black holes and bring the end to the world. Okay. First of all, the collider that we ended up not funding here in America would have been 3 times the power of the collider in Switzerland. Just so you understand that. Congress, in what they judged to be their own wisdom, canceled that project. And that basically ended the frontier of particle physics in America. And we ended our manned space program just recently. We're going to kick it in again in a couple of decades, I guess.
Sort of.
Sort of.
We have humans in space right now.
No, we have our own program. Yeah, we're hitching
But
rides.
our own launch program.
Our own launch program, that's right. We have a NASA official here to keep me on.
And to remind you that 6 people are orbiting Earth right now.
6 people in the space station.
Aboard the space station. They orbit Earth once every 90 minutes. And you can see the space station with your naked eye. So you can track it. NASA has a tracking site on nasa.gov/station, and you can go outside and look up and see the space station flying overhead.
In twilight.
In twilight.
Yes. Yes. About the space station, you said there's 6 people up there now. The rocket pioneer, Robert Troughs, in 1980, said, in the year 2000, there will be 50,000 people living and working in space. How many people live in?
6.
6, okay.
And you're talking about particle physics.
Actually. So, you can, as a scientist, I don't care who does the work, somebody's going to do it, but as an American, I feel like we should have been there. But, so, interesting question. Will the energy that it creates create mini black holes that will eat the Earth? If the created black holes had started eating the Earth, it would happen at about the speed of light, so that there would be no way for them to ever tell you this is happening. Warn you. And even if they did warn you, there is nothing you could do about it. Fact 1. Fact 2. The strongest particle accelerator in the universe is the universe itself. There are particles emanating from the collapse of stars, from the centers of galaxies, that have energies that vastly exceed the energies of particles created in the particle accelerator. I can tell you that we did the calculation and showed that if you created black holes, they would evaporate and be of no consequences. You would wonder whether we forgot to carry the 2 in the calculation. I can tell you with greater confidence than whatever doubts you might have in our calculations, that if such energetic reactions were to make black holes, Earth would have died in a black hole long before technology was ever invented. Because we are subject to this flux of high-energy particles daily from the universe itself.
Right over here, almost